So you think Pinterest is just for recipes and wedding planning? Well, in 2026, that kind of thinking is probably costing you money. We're about to completely reframe this platform, not as social media, but as an absolute cornerstone for your digital empire. Let's dive right in.
Okay, first things first, let's just get the biggest misconception out of the way. On one side, you have your typical social media. You post something, it gets a quick flash of attention, and then poof, it's pretty much gone forever. It's fleeting. But Pinterest, that's a whole different ballgame. Your content is evergreen. A pin you create today could be driving traffic for you years from now. And the users, oh, they aren't just mindlessly scrolling. They are actively searching for things.
And this right here, this is the core idea you need to grasp. Stop thinking social media and start thinking visual search engine. It's a place people go with a purpose. They need ideas, they want to solve problems, they're planning for the future. And what does that mean for you? It means your future customers are literally on there right now, searching for exactly what you offer.
So if it's a search engine, we really need to understand the user's mindset. Because this, my friends, is where we find the absolute gold mine for digital products.
This quote just nails the key difference perfectly. It's all about intent. A Pinterest user isn't just killing time, they are actively planning. They're gathering ideas, they're solving problems, and they're getting ready to buy. They are totally primed to take action.
And this mindset, it translates into some incredible benefits for your business. You've got users with high purchase intent because they're planners. You get that super long shelf life from the evergreen content. We're talking months, even years. It's a visual platform which is just perfect for showcasing digital products. And maybe best of all, every single pin links directly back to your site, driving highly qualified traffic right where you want it to go.
Okay, so if it's a search engine, how do you win? Well, you win the same way you win on Google, with search engine optimization, or SEO. So let's break down how you actually get your products discovered.
This is the fundamental shift you have to make. Seriously, stop thinking like a social media manager who's just posting daily updates. You need to start thinking like an SEO strategist, creating these valuable, keyword-rich assets that are going to serve you for the long haul. Every pin, every board, every single description is a new opportunity to get discovered.
And here's your roadmap. It's a simple system. Number 1, in-depth keyword research. You got to know what your audience is actually searching for. This can even inspire your next big product idea. Number 2, enable rich pins. These are amazing. They automatically pull extra info from your website, like pricing, right onto the pin. Makes you look way more credible. Then you use those keywords to write compelling descriptions. You create high-quality visuals that literally stop the scroll, and you organize everything into beautifully optimized boards. See? It's a system.
Now that SEO checklist might sound like a lot of work, and it could be, but in 2026, you have a secret weapon. Let's talk about your new AI assistant.
AI is basically the force multiplier for your entire strategy. It takes all of those really essential but time-consuming SEO tasks and just puts them on hyperdrive. This allows a single entrepreneur, just you, to operate with the power of a full marketing team. It really is all about working smarter, not harder.
I mean, just look at this comparison. The old way, you're manually writing maybe 10 pin descriptions. The 2026 way, boom, AI generates 50 keyword-rich versions in seconds. Instead of just guessing the best time to post, AI analyzes the data and optimizes your schedule for you. And instead of painstakingly creating one pin design at a time, AI can generate a whole bunch of variations instantly so you can test what actually works. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a complete revolution in your workflow.
Okay, so we've mastered SEO and we're using AI to scale everything. We're getting traffic, but let's be real, traffic doesn't pay the bills. Now for the most important part, turning all of that visibility into actual profit.
The rule is so simple but so crucial. Never post a pin without a purpose. A beautiful image is totally useless if the viewer has no idea what to do next. You have to guide them. Every single pin needs a clear and compelling call to action, what we call a CTA.
And these are exactly what strong CTAs look like. They're direct, they're action-oriented, and they promise value. Things like download your free guide or enroll in our course now. See how they guide the user to that next logical step in your sales funnel. Be specific and tell them exactly what you want them to do.
Your CTAs are then supported by this toolkit. So you'll want to promote lead magnets to build up your email list. Use direct links right to your product pages to make buying super easy. Of course, you have to stay consistent with your pinning to keep the algorithm happy. And maybe most importantly, you have to analyze your data.
See what's working so you can double down on it.
This quote really brings it all home, doesn't it? It's a three-part formula. You build a foundation of smart SEO, you scale it with the power of AI, and you focus all of it on consistently delivering value. This is how you stop treating Pinterest like a hobby and start using it as a strategic tool to build your digital empire.
So, the strategy is clear. The tools are right there waiting for you, and your future customers are already searching. The only question left is, what will you build?